Hey everybody, Grandpa Rails. Figured it's time for a little bit of an update. A little bit of clutter here. Oh, haven't really worked on the yard. I'm getting my mains straightened out. Relocated over here, spaced out a little bit more properly. And let's see, I got a kit I gotta put together that I printed. Power 55. These are some mistakes, so I'll be using these to test what type of paint I want to put on there, what color. Plus, I printed up some wheel masks for 33 inch and 36 inch. Oh, yes. Throttle holders. I think I printed 6 of these. And is it possible the bridges are gonna make a comeback? I don't know. We'll see. I gotta get everything kind of lined out over here. Up on this end, we are going to put a crossover in up here instead of where I had it in the curve over there. Over there. See? Over there. It's not there no more. Anyway, I figured that's all we need to get. A little short update. See you later.